In this guide, I'm going to show you how to add a co-host on Vrbo and explain the best options available. Let's get started. Once you log into your Vrbo account and open your listing dashboard, you may notice that there isn't a direct option to add a co-host. However, there are still a few effective ways to involve someone as a co-host. The first option is sharing account access. After logging into your Vrbo account, head to your account dashboard and contact Vrbo support. You can request that your co-host be added as an emergency contact, which allows them to receive verification codes and help with certain account-related actions. After that, you would need to share your login credentials, including the email address and password, with your co-host. This allows them to log in and assist with managing listings, responding to guest messages, and handling reservations. Keep in mind that this method involves sharing full account access, so it should only be done with someone you trust. The second and more secure option is using a third-party property management system, also known as a PMS. Platforms like IGMS, Hospitable, Guesty, or Zivu integrate with Vrbo and allow you to invite co-hosts using their own user accounts. These tools let you assign specific permissions so each person can manage tasks such as guest communication, calendar updates, pricing, and maintenance without needing direct access to your Vrbo login. That's it. Those are the best ways to add and manage a co-host on Vrbo. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our other tutorials for more helpful tips.